In this video, I am gonna show you how to make this amazing interactive images slider web animation in Figma. So let's get it started. First of all, let's make a frame. Now make a rectangle. And add some gradient. Now make another rectangle. Go to Plugin and choose Morph and add Glassy effect. Now let's add some text. Choose Effect and add Drop Shadow. Now make a rectangle. Select them and add some radius. Now select the frame and disable clip content. Now duplicate the left side image. Now duplicate the right side image. And make sure all the layers is in the frame. Now let's add some images. Now select all the images. Add stroke. Make its color white. And make its weight 6. Now select the frame. And enable clip content. Now duplicate the frame. Now select the mid image of second frame, and make its angle 0 degree, and make its size little bit larger, and make it in front. Now select the other images of second frame, and make them align center, and make their angle 0 degree, and make their size like the front image. Now select the text, and make its size larger. Now duplicate the frame. Now select the front image, rotate it, and drag it upward, and make its size smaller. Now select the front image of second frame, and make its angle 0 degree. Now duplicate the frame. Now rotate the front image, drag right top, and make its size smaller. Now select the front image of second frame, and make its angle 0 degree. Now duplicate the frame. Now do it same like that with other. Now duplicate the first frame. first frame with second. Choose on click. Animation will be Smart Animate, Curve Custom, and duration will be 1200 milliseconds. Now connect second frame mid-image with third frame. Animation will be same. Connect third frame front image with fourth frame. Do the same with others. Animation will be same. Now add a reverse connection so that animation will become reverse. Connect last frame with its before frame. Animation will be same. Do the same with others. Now let's see how it's look. It's looking's good. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon for new videos.